The friends returned to the underwoods after days of travel, but something felt wrong. The leaves didn't rustle, the flowers dropped, and even the birds were silent. Sira, it's too quiet. Even the air feels heavy. Lumi, look, the soil's dry, but it rained yesterday. Something's blocking the roots. Koto, hmm, smells like terrible. Maybe the roots are fighting each other. Nimbo, roots can fight. Lumi, maybe not fight. Maybe they are trying to speak. Lumi placed her hand on the ground. Her light shimmered faintly, showing glowing lines spreading through the soil like tiny threads connecting every trees. Lumi, they are talking through light signals. Look, Sira. So, trees have their own way to messaging each other. Kodo, like forest Wi-Fi. Nimbo, NatureNet. Lumi, yes, but something's interrupting the signal. The globe flickers, showing a dark tangle of roots pulsing in the distance. Following the glowing trails, they entered a deep grove where roots crisscrossed like maze. Sira. Oh no, the elder tree. Kodo. It's the heart of the forest. If it stops talking, the others will too. Lumi. Then we will help it. Remember its voice. She kneels and lets her light flow into the ground. The roots glow, but only weakly. Suddenly, gentle whisper rose from the soil, soft voices of the forest roots. Their world echoes in everyone's heart rather than yours. Root whisper, we are tired, disconnected, forgotten. Lumi, I didn't know you could feel lonely. Root whisper, when creatures take without giving, roots lose their bond. We need balance again. Kodo. So the ground's sick because it's been ignored? Sarah. Then we will give it our voices together. Lumi, Sira, Nimbo, and Kodo joined hands and touched the ground. Their light, gold, blue, silver, and cream flowed through the soil like rivers. Magical humming fills the air. Roots glow brighter, breathe them. Looming. Let our kindness travel as deep as the root. Root whisper, you remember the way. Now the forest breathes again. Leaves begin to flutter. Flowers bloom and sunlight filters through the canopy. The elder trees bark help, its branches stretching skyward. Teeny seeds floated down, glowing softly as they landed. Sira, look, new life. Nimbo, they're like little lights. Lumi, they are messages of growth from one root to another. Kodo, ha, guess even the trees send text sometimes. Everyone, ha 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 ha. Childrens, did you know trees actually talk to each other through underground networks of roots and fungi? This is called the root wood wide web. It helps them share food, warn about dancer, and keep the forest alive. Just like teamwork helps us stay strong together.